What's going on, guys? It's Katie here at AFI to bring you another DIY video. Today I'll be showing you how to make a luxurious body oil. Not only is it easy to make, but it also has a ton of different healthy skin benefits. Not to mention, it smells amazing. This product would be a great addition to diversify your product lineup. Let's get started. All you need to make your very own body oil is a roll-on bottle. Today we'll be using 0.2 ounce bottles. The roll-on top massages the oil into your skin and it really gives a spa-like feel. Next, you'll need a carrier oil. There are many different options for this, but check out the link in the description below to see which ones we recommend. Today we'll be using almond oil. Almond oil is packed with all sorts of different benefits. It has both vitamin E and A, potassium, proteins, and zinc. These nutrients and proteins will gently cleanse your pores without blocking them. You'll need 60% of this, which comes out to be 2.4 ounces. Now for my favorite part, the fragrance. You'll need 40% fragrance, which comes out to be 1.6 ounces. Make sure to check the IFRA limits for any fragrance you choose. Here at AFI, you have tons of options to suit your specific needs. Did you also know we can duplicate any fragrance of your choice? The possibilities are endless. Today, I chose Violet Tulip. It smells so relaxing. It reminds me of the awesome soap we made. Check it out in the link below. To make this product, it's super simple. Just grab your oil of choice, and today we'll be using our almond oil. We're just using a beaker to mix and combine your fragrance. Now just mix it well. I'll be using a pipette, but you can just use a simple spoon. Now just pour it into your bottles and you're good to go. The best part is you can choose any fragrance you want to make it your own. You can also add dye to change the color, and that's great for the marketing side. This product ended up costing us about $1 to $2 to make, and you can wholesale them for $5 to $6 and retail them for $8 to $10. I hope you enjoyed this AFI DIY. Make sure to check out the other videos we've done to see more awesome products we've made that you can add to your product lineup. Hit that subscribe button to stay up to date with our content. I'm Katie, and stay tuned for next time. Bye!